Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for January 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. And comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Ayan. So, let's see, Leo. What's up with you? Money, career, finances for January 2025. Snake. Oh, this is healing. This is, maaring may mga naging financial challenges kayo in the past ng mga nakaraang taon, and you are healing from that. You are bouncing back. This is also being more patient. So maaring meron kang sinisimulan din na bagong project. This can be a new business rin, a new career path, bagong trabaho na hindi mo naman minamadali yung sarili mo kasi nagsisimula ka pa lang, 'di ba? So kailangan chill, 'di ba, sa una. You also have Pegasus. Pegasus is about freedom, okay? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong trabaho or career path na or business na yun yung gusto nyong i-pursue kasi mas malaya kayong magawa yung gusto nyo. I'm seeing here merong pagiging self-employed. Ayan. So, you have product, services na ino-offer and you can earn from it. Para siyang business na rin, no? You also have crane. Ayan. So, I feel like meron kang, mas pinapalakas mo yung sarili mo ngayong January, lalo na sa yung iyong fighting spirit, kumbaga. Oo. Na alam mo sa sarili mo na you can do more, that you can do better, at mas nagiging committed ka sa mga pangarap mo, sa mga goals mo. Maari kasing nung nakaraang taon, hindi ka ganun kaseryoso sa mga goals mo na parang bahala na kung saan ka dalhin, ganun. But ngayon, things are changing for you. The snake is also a symbol of rebirth, transformation. Okay? And with Pegasus here, you want financial freedom. Gusto mo ng kalayaan na hindi ka minamandohan ng ibang tao dahil sa ginagawa mo. May sarili kang desisyon. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you are going to pursue managerial positions, leadership roles sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, or a job or a source of income na kung saan kahit ikaw lang mag-isa, kikita ka ng pera, no? So, that's being self-employed or sharing yung mga services, no? Selling services and mga items, pwedeng online selling, pagiging work from home. Ayan. Okay, let's see what else. For Leo. So, talagang committed ka ngayon sa mga goals mo in terms of career path. Ooh, you have the Three of Swords. Meron ditong maaring you are still healing from this disappointment, no? Pwedeng hindi ganun kaganda yung naging experience mo sa career, sa business mo nung mga nakaraan. Like, you are expecting something na maging progressive, pero hindi nangyari. Or meron kang project na hindi nag-work, business na nag-fail. But you know what? Ayan, nagbabago na. Things are changing for you. With the Ten of Pentacles here, parang mag-flip yung situation. If nag-struggle ka ngayon, hindi na, no? Mas magiging maganda ang pasok ng pera for you. Yung iba sa inyo merong unexpected na pera na darating galing sa family. This can be inheritance, no? So, syempre, hindi naman para sa lahat, but it's like mamanahin mo or minana mo from your ancestors, parents, grandparents na meron siyang monetary value. Pwedeng cash talaga or may value, let's say, lupa, bahay na pwede mong gamitin to make abundance, to create money. Yeah, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Working harder. Also learning more. So maaring you will enroll sa isang institution na kung saan may matututunan ka financially or may matututunan kang bagong skill that will help you create more income. You have the King of Cups and the Eight of Swords. Yeah, I think may mga pagkakataon pa rin na natatakot ka. Natatakot kang magkamali ulit. Natatakot ka na may mapiling desisyon na hindi pala makakabuti sa'yo. With the King of Cups here, this is about your instinct, your intuition. If your intuition is telling you na, oy Leo, subukan mo to, or Leo, this is going to be better for you, then try it. Kasi minsan, itong Eight of Swords energy is like, tayo yan self-limiting beliefs natin yan base sa, may basis tayo dyan. Yung iba, basis niyan, experience nila in the past, or yung mga sinasabi ng iba. Nagke-create siya ng fear, no? Yung fear na yon, it gives you limitation. So, hindi mo na-experience yung potentials mo. Kasi, sa una pa lang, takot ka na agad. Yung iba, takot mag-take ng risk because of the, financial trauma in the past. So, it's time for you to open up your heart, open to new experiences in your finances, and definitely, meron tong magiging magandang kalalabasan for you. Okay? Ayan, advancement. Merong career growth in your field of work. So, yung iba, yung career growth na to, pwedeng sa same company, pero may explore ka na bagong role or bagong leadership position. Yung iba naman, let's say, resign ka sa work mo, tapos may pinalit kang trabaho na mas maganda yung position mo. And this can also mean growth in your finances. Maraming dumarating na source of income dahil sa talent mo. 'Di ba? You have to tap into your talents and your skill set, Leo, kasi ang dami nyong kayang gawin. Iwasan nyo yung tipong may mga nagdi-discourage sa'yo na alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mong gawin. 'Di ba? Kasi usually mga nagdi-discourage na yan yung mga taong ayaw nilang malamangan mo sila kasi nakikita nila mismo yung potentials mo. Kaya lang parang, binablock nila yung potentials mo. Because pwede kang maging threat sa kanila. Collaborate. Working with someone who has the same goal. So, ayun. Kailangan dito, yung mga taong makakasama mo, pareho ng mindset sa'yo na in alignment sa mga goals mo. 'Di ba? Sabi nga bakit hihingi ka ng opinion or bakit magmamatter yung opinion ng iba na hindi naman yun yung gusto mong maging kalagayan mo. 'Di ba? So, dapat it doesn't matter sa'yo kung ano opinion nila. Kung hindi naman kayo pareho ng vision, ng goal, ng pangarap. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. So, merong new growth for you. I-embrace mo na yan. Feel and allow a deeper sense of peace to fill you now. This is a divine quality. So, sense of peace, releasing, decluttering, detoxifying, releasing nega energies around you. Stay grounded and welcome the new knowledge and perspective coming to you. Staying grounded, being more practical, realistic sa mga goals mo, at maging open ka sa bagong kaalaman. Oo, kasi tayo, hindi naman porket meron na tayong natutunan, doon na tayo, titigil na tayo sa pag-aaral. Meron tayong pwedeng matutunan na bago that will somehow help us improve and grow. Okay? Spread seeds of love and creativity and see them blossom. So yun, yung passion mo for your craft, for your career, for your business, yun dun ka mag-focus kasi you will see the results afterwards. Magic remains even while you ground yourself and be practical. So magic is still there. No, you can manifest your goals and dreams by being practical, by being realistic sa mga goals mo, yung mga achievable. Kasi yung once na na-achieve mo siya, it creates this certain euphoria na parang, uy, kayang-kaya ko pala. Then, mas lalo kang mapapump up, no, to do better. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.